Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on SoundCloud application or website. So first of all, of course, you'll need to go and open the first of all, you'd like to open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So of course, in my case, I'm using Brave, but for you, you can use any other browser. Of course, any other browser working for you or suits you or you like will be good to start with. Of course, you would like just to go then and type soundcloud.com and hit the enter button, and that will actually take you into this page. Of course, you will need to log in into your account if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, but if you don't, all you need to do, just go and create your account, then log in into it. Of course, you can log in, you can create your account with Gmail or Facebook if you want to. If you don't want to go through all the steps, boring steps of creating your account, then log in into it, and that will actually be your home or your main screen. So of course, here you may have or found different songs depending on what you recently played or what SoundCloud actually suggesting to you. So of course, if you want to change the profile of your the picture of your profile, all you need to do, just go and click at your name right here, then click add profile. So of course, from here, as you can see, that is our profile, and if you want to change the background, which is this big one, you can just click here and upload a header image. And if you want just to change this profile picture, just click at upload image. And of course, you don't see that because I'm actually capturing just the window of the browser, but that will just open your document, and from there you can just choose the picture that you want to upload. Let me just upload one from here. So as you can see, I chose this picture from my documents in my PC, and of course, after clicking on save, as you can see, now that is the picture of my profile. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.